First off, welcome.
Right here, I got my sis in the building. Jaja, known by Jaleesa. Y'all, the craziest thing just happened, y'all. My dang old ice cream done fell in the cup trying to do a thumbnail.
No, she wasn't ready.
But it's cool, because sis, she got me. And it was dang on turtle pie. So I'm a little irritated, but they having a good day.
Look, all the nuts done fell off.
All the nuts fell off.
Pretty much everything that made it a turtle done came off that whole funnel cake.
That was nothing but the devil, y'all. Nothing but the devil. So we pretty much got a funnel cake. I got the like she said, the turtle funnel cake, and she got the Oreo. Y'all, she already started. So greedy. And y'all, I don't know if y'all can see this. Oh, no. Yeah, y'all can see it. Yeah.
It's crispy. Got that ice cream on top.
Bruh. We waited in line, what, 45 minutes? Who's that? Some people actually waited in line for this lady who made some for like a whole hour. I don't know.
Standing in line to order, then standing in line to wait for
actually
it.
wait, yeah. That's like 45
Yeah.
minutes.
No, that was
Like good hour. You think so?
I don't know. That was a long time. But I don't want to waste none of mine.
Okay.
I feel sorry for you.
Ooh. Okay. I know people gonna be like, Push ain't no vegan. Look at fat. Go on, sis. Tear it up from sis.
I knew it was going to be good, but sheesh.
Yeah, it is good. Y'all, we would talk about something. Well, we'll just talk about some random stuff. I don't know. When it comes to sweets, it's like I want to enjoy it.
I told her I don't even want to talk. I just want to eat.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
This is pretty much a ASMR. And that's how you say it. And that's how you say it. ASMR.
You need to watch us dance. Like,
Right.
when you got something that tastes good,
You want to do all that? Ooh. Girl, I should have filmed that part with my jump falling. But anyway, it's still good. But anyway, how everybody doing? If you're having a good day, like this video. If you're having a good day, like it. If you're having a bad one, like it either way. Go ahead, like it. Share it. If you're mad, share it. If you're happy, share it. Well, not mad, ain't happy.
yeah, just cut that part right on out. Just cut that part out.
So I'm mad, I happy. I don't care.
I mean, it literally fell in the cup, right in the
y'all
cup.
see that job?
There was no way you could save it. It was water in here.
Now I was tempted to actually go in them, but I was like, nah,
Yeah, okay.
it ain't that deep.
The ice cream, like, make it stand out from the ice cream and the toppings. I had Oreo, so. What's not to love about it?
It's sugar, fried sugar. It's good.
Ooh,
Girl. Oh yeah, show them what you got too. She has some
I did.
some sushi.
Oh. Nobody I did.
That sushi looks so good. But yeah, I guess. Oh, I just ate that. I guess what I can talk about is goals. I guess if everybody's not familiar with me, is that I am an aspiring artist. I will be putting out music. Okay, you would know me. And sis here is a creative director, inspiring. Okay, She gonna be correct. She gonna be inspiring to create my videos. But even though
I like that. I like that title.
yeah, so it's like sis is very, very creative, and I need her. Not her, but I need the world to see that as well as see my talent. So,
Hey.
But oh, yeah, that's pretty much it. As of now, just slowly working towards those goals as far as writing music and stay doing that so I can be, inspired and stuff like that and be consistent with doing that. And I just got a lot of other stuff that I want to do as far as my business ideas and stuff like that. But yeah, y'all, all I'll say is don't limit yourself. Do not. You are able to do it. With all these resources that people have given you, especially free on YouTube or whatever, use it to your advantage. Travel, or do whatever you gotta do, network, whatever. Oh Lord. Yeah, I'm so bad. I'm almost done.
Okay. I just saw that. I was like,
okay, I said talking about you. I'm almost done, y'all. Y'all see this foolishness?
I'm looking at mine like, am I slow or portion just fat?
Fat.
Okay.
Fat.
I'm like halfway done. I'm trying to savor it. It's like, well, and then I do have my ice cream on top.
You can't
so
savor it by eating a lot of it. I'm so full.
I'm getting full too, and I'm still tear the sushi up like.
Right, I'm gonna piece that sushi. Oh, everybody started leaving. Oh yeah, that's the card. That's the card, y'all. The lady that we went to. If you're in the Jacksonville, Florida area, hit her up.
Y'all see it backwards?
Nah, they should be able to read it. Oh, I'm full. I don't know what's up with me and my appetite, honey. Kind of crunch for y'all. Let me do it so. That shit's crunch for them.
I'm gonna get a little close.
Smack it up a little bit.
That ain't it. That ain't it.
That sounded very.
Nothing was mushy.
Okay. Okay. Oh, them babies walking. Oh, them goddamn on funny cakes.
Who?
Tell me them right there.
Look here, it like this.
Okay, the people order like 10 funnel cakes, bro. It's crazy. Ooh, I'm full. Ooh, that was yummy, y'all. That was really, really good. So, but yeah, y'all. So I don't know what else to say. I just ate, and I don't know. Me and sis just chilling, eating. So yeah, I want to eat that thing.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Look, I'm getting full too. I ain't better eat all that.
I just want one. Just show the people. Oh, yeah, right here. There you go, y'all. Oh, y'all see that? Okay, now tell me what's all in there. Sour cream, shrimp. Oh, she said it was shrimp in that, right? No. Okay, so shrimp.
That's about all I know too. I don't know.
Shrimp, shark cream.
It's basically a dynamite.
Oh yeah, okay.
They just had to change the shrimp. I think it was.
Oh yeah, the brand of shrimp.
It was worth the wait. I'll tell you that much.
Yeah,
it was worth the wait.
It was cold as heck out here, but it was worth the wait. Oh.
What?
Okay, I was playing.
I'm trying to say it's nasty compared to yours.
No. Oh yeah, I made these at the house. No, it's good. I just can't get that soft together. You know that sweet stuff they got on here.
You don't like it?
No, I cannot make the same I like. Oh, but that mayo sauce, I buy it at the store. But that sweet stuff, It's not teriyaki. It's something else.
Eel sauce.
Mm-hmm. Oh, she's just leaving. That girl.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you can't eat too much of this. This ain't good for you.
Yeah. And I deserve it.
Just enjoy it through the screen because this is not good.
Don't do the screen. But what I'm gonna say is, yeah, just write down below what type of videos y'all want us to make, okay? And yeah, and to note again, I am a vegan, so I ain't gonna eat all that chicken, so I don't eat that, okay? So just give us some options. Me and Terrence are friends.
She sounded way too bougie saying that.
No, girl, whatever. But anyways, I don't eat meat. She eat meat.
I know you ain't mean it like that.
I know, but I you know, I'm gonna tell a little setback, but I was strong in the Lord, so it's fine. But yeah, just give us some ideas or whatever, and yeah. One last time for the hungry people. One last time.
Okay, this is my last bite. One last
Right.
Time.
So pretty. All right. Love y'all. Bye.